Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new around here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you. Thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate you guys being here. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy the content. I'm sorry for the lighting. I'm bulk recording. I mentioned this in my previous video. It is really early in the morning and I don't want to wake up the whole house and I can't access all of my equipment. So I'm working with a little ring light that I have and just trying to be productive, right? Hashtag productivity. Okay. So we're going to talk a little bit about M1 and our beginner investing challenge. I know a lot of you are doing this challenge with me. And first off, I want to thank you so much for your support. Let me grab the little book so that you guys can see our book. Okay, guys. So I have the books right here. Sorry if my audio is going in and out. This is the investing challenge book. You'll see like a screenshot on your screen and the dividend workbook as well. But, and you can get those products down below. I'm sorry about the lighting. I just slammed the books down. But, all of that information is down below in my description box. But we've been doing this investing challenge for over a year now. We started in September of 2021. And the idea was that anybody on any income can invest. Okay. We do $1 a day. Now you have the option of doing 25 cents a day, 50 cents a day, the $1 a day, like we're all doing on the channel, or $2 a day, right? And what this does is that it helps you to develop good investing habits. It helps you to understand the psychology of investing and why buy and hold is the best strategy. And it helps you to see and learn in real time. Okay. Now, again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a fiduciary, but how many people show you their actual accounts on the internet, right? And so you guys can see the results. Yes, the market is down, but when you zoom out, overall, our portfolio, my husband and I's, is up. And we do it by really following simple investing strategies, buy and hold into things we believe in, good companies and good funds. I don't trade. I don't short. I don't do any of that because I don't have the risk tolerance for it. And at the end of the day, that's okay. Hey guys, just interjecting really quickly. So I am running a special sale. So surprise special sale. And I know a lot of you look forward to these sales because you like to use them for the sessions and the private groups and trackers and things. But yes, we're having a spring sale. You're going to see a code right up on your screen. But I wanted to announce something special that I am bringing back. You see this? The investing study group. So I had these out last year and they were hugely popular. So they're back by popular demand. And yes, I'm excited about these. And this particular session group is 5 sessions. And this is the spring edition. Okay. So you're going to see right here, there are 5 sessions. The first session is on Tuesday, April 4th at 6 o'clock. That's only because it's the Easter holiday, the holiday weekend. The following weekend, I usually have these sessions on Sunday evenings, but you can see the first session is about passive income via dividend investing, how to build your portfolio and increase your income, strategies for every income level. We're going to talk about this and I'm going to show you calculations. So if you're low income, medium income, high income, variable income, you can do this. And I'm also going to share with you dividend stocks to avoid. Okay. Second session, Sunday, April 23rd at 6 o'clock Eastern, how to live on dividend income the right way. Withdrawal strategies, because this is very important. Taxes on dividends, FIRE, and best dividend brokerages to use. Session 3, Sunday, May 7th, again at 6 p.m. Eastern, how to invest for your children, teens, and minors with disabilities. So we're going to learn about 529s, UTMAs, UGMAs, minor Roths, tax implications and dividends for kids. So this is going to be a really good one if you've been wanting to learn about this. Session 4 on Sunday, May 21st at 6 o'clock. We're going to talk about if you're starting late, retirement planning in your 30s, 40s, and 50s, employer sponsored accounts, things like that. And session number 5, that is going to be Sunday, June 4th, again at 6 o'clock. We're going to build a dividend spreadsheet together. Yes, this is probably one of my most requested sessions. So yes, so for a beginner, we're going to just do one from scratch with Google Sheets. Again, a few columns, 2 calculations, and a simple graph. This is for beginners who want to know how to make it and track their own. So again, you can see each session is $19.99 for the first week of the sale, and then it'll be $22.99 thereafter. Spots are limited, so I just want you guys to understand that. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to talking with you guys. And of course, the spring code that you see up on the screen, you can use that for products. For the services and things, the prices are already marked down, so you don't need a code for those. Okay, so back to the video. And so I wanted to create something where every month All of you vote. Okay. So I don't pick. You guys vote on what you guys would like to invest in for that next month, and whatever the majority picks, that's the selection. And we've been doing this now since September of 2021. I want to thank all of you, because I know some of you have been literally with us since the beginning. Okay. And it's now March 2023. Crazy, right? And so this video is coming out on time, because on Monday, you guys will see the polls up for the investing challenge for April. Okay. But in terms of for, March, and I'm going to actually let's research that together. That's ticker symbol BND, or the Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF. So I know a lot of you wanted to get into bonds, and you've been, now the bonds that SVB in was 1% treasury bonds that were 10 years. That was a 10-year term. That's a poor investment choice. But what I love about the Vanguard bond is that you can get out anytime you want, and it gives you access to the bonds market in a very beginner way before you maybe want to branch off into I bonds or T-bills through the treasury or anything like that. So this is our pick for the month of March that you all voted on. So again, the Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF, ticker symbol BND, is currently at $73.72. And this is interesting. This is up where VTI and SCHD and Realty Income, Amazon, Apple, Google, they're all down. So again, it's the market, right? That's why we diversify our money. But we can scroll down and we can see some information. So like the past week, it's up. Again, it's up where most things were down. Let's see what it did the past month. It's up the past month. So diversification, I'm always preaching it on this channel. Be diversified, okay? Because it'll keep your portfolio up. Solid dividend yield. Now I have a dividend group over in Patreon. We'll be meeting, I believe it's next week. So if you want to join, that information is down below. I'm also going to be adding something new to my Patreon that I think you guys may like. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But the yield is 2.55%. Sweet spot is usually between 2 and 5, 3 and 5. So this is pretty good. Super low expense ratio. And so, yeah, if you're a beginner, not financial advice, but you can see like it's up while everything else was down. And like I said, here's the profile. And again, you can do all this research on M1, or if you have Fidelity, they will all have the same information. Robinhood, Webull, Moomoo. And if you don't have any of those accounts, all of my referral links are down below. It doesn't cost you anything to sign up. Just use my link and you'll get free stock, and I'll get free stock as well. And it's a great way to support the channel. And thank you to all of you. I think with M1, we have 67 referrals. So thank you all so much. And they're headquartered in Valley Forge, PA. So did you guys know that if you live in the Northeast, that's where Vanguard headquarters are? So that's pretty cool, right? Or at least one of their main locations. Oh yeah, let me go back. And right here in M1, they give you like some news. So this is great. If you're a beginner and you want to see what's going on in the markets, this is just some simple news. A lot of people like M1 Finance for that. Then you have like stocks. You can research literally almost 4,000 individual companies. They have almost 2,000 funds that you can research. Right here, you see the famous VTI, the famous VOO right there. Crypto is also here. You can research those. So, this is just some of the things that, I really like. So back to the beginner investing challenge, the total balance here is $3,026.70. We are down. Look, we're down $267.67, or down 11.22%. Can't control the market. But guess what? I guarantee you, in 2 to 5 years from now, if you come back and you watch this video, you're going to see this number doubled at least. Why? Because all of this investing we're doing when the market is down. You can see some of the picks here that we have for the previous monthly investing challenges that you all voted on. Like I said, we're down. And many of these, we're actually up in Apple, which is pretty cool. Up in Walmart. But look, we're down in Amazon. Where's Amazon going? Let's be honest. How many of us have ordered stuff off of Amazon? But imagine getting Amazon. Let me click on that. Imagine getting Amazon cheap right now. How much is Amazon? $98. I just placed an order on Amazon that was over $98. So I want to be an owner and a consumer in this company. And you can see we have 1.93 shares. Just compound interest, right? Every time I get a referral to this, or this is a pick for the investing challenge, I just put some money in here, $1 a day. That's $31 or $30, depending on how many days are in that month. And look, it grows. Eventually it will grow. So I'm not concerned about it. Look at this. We've gotten some dividends. Look at this. So far we have earned $48.33 in dividends, and a challenge I'm doing $1 a day on. And you guys know I love dividends. So it really just, shows me that this works. Okay. Let's see. You can just scroll down. You can see it all here. I'm not going to show you this all because you guys can see it all. Yeah, this is the dividends we earned so far. So that's pretty cool. Move my face. You can see this little chart that M1 Finance have right here. Chart right here over time. You can see pies. So M1 Finance have pies. So you can actually structure your pies or your portfolio for specific reasons. So you can have a pie for, let's say, dividends, then a separate pie for starter companies, and then another pie for index funds. And then it'll just combine all your pies together and you'll have like one main pie, which is also pretty cool. Another thing that M1 Finance does that I love for beginners is that it prevents you from trading. Okay. So if you're trying to day trade and you're new, M1 Finance will not allow it. They give you 2 opportunities to buy and sell stock. 9:30 a.m. during the trading day and 3 p.m. if you have M+. That's it. That's all. Okay. So if you are a hands-off investor and you just want to just buy, let's say every paycheck, M1 Finance may be a good option. I like Robinhood or Webull or Fidelity because I can buy like instantaneously, if that makes sense. Like if it's 10 a.m., I can buy something at 10:30. I can sell something at 1 o'clock. I can buy something. Whereas with M1, you really only have 2 opportunities to buy or sell anything. Now they do have M1 Plus. Again, as a beginner, I don't think you need it. It just gives you access to more like trading opportunities and more information, but you don't want to have too much that you're looking at where it causes you to, have anxiety and feel pressured about it. Investing should not feel that way. It should be very fluid. And honestly, it should be, insightful and at times like fun because you're actually putting your money to work, for you. So I wanted to show you guys, the M1 Finance account. We have a current buying power of $1.61. I actually have to get ready to transfer some money over here for our pick for March. So I'll have that automatically set up and I will put that money into the stock pick that you all voted on. But yeah, this is how we're doing. This is how our VTI that was picked in Abbott and just different things are doing right now. Again, it's a lot of red, and I wanted to do these videos when the market was red. So you can see it's not always green, but if I'm holding on, if I'm not losing faith, if I believe in Apple, I believe in Abbott Laboratories. They make a lot of the medical tools like the scalpers and thermometers that doctors and dentists use. I believe in Amazon. I believe in Visa and Disney and Waste Management, Johnson & Johnson. I believe in these companies. So buy and hold. And I'm just going to write it out. And like I said, if you want any of these books right here, check out my information down below. I'm not sure why my face keeps going in and out, but, yeah. So again, thank you guys so much. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye for now.